How to send TikTok video on WhatsApp. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to select any of the video which you want to send it on WhatsApp. You have to select video and click on this arrow mark. Click on it. Click on this arrow mark and you can see different options. There is not an option of WhatsApp. Just you have to click on more option. Different options will appear here, and in that option one is WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp option, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Just you have to open it, and now I am going to send my video to any of the persons like this, and that video will be sent to that person from your TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.